Hi, today we are going to listen EOS RP's shutter sounds. Let's try the one shot right now. Yeah, this one is the one shot. Let's jump into the high speed continuous shots. Yeah, it's time for the next one right now. I have to change my mode to low speed continuous. Yes, these are the shutter sounds of EOS RP. Thanks for watching.